Okay, this is called Living World, so it's I think it's the biggest shopping mall in Denpasar. Got H&M in here. We're gonna see what kind of food court they got as well. So let's go check it all out. Okay, so we're walking into the living world. Got Uniqlo, Starbucks. Oh, looks good already. Support local artists. Soulbrigada. We got downstairs as well over there. That might be what I'm interested in, the food court. So let me let's go down. Looks like up here looks like it's mostly shopping, but we'll slowly show you what's all around here. Okay, it does look like we have some shows. That does look pretty big. Huh. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. Curry. Japanese curry. Looks like there's an outside over here too, at a supermarket. Some kind of event as well. Let's just take a look outside and see what's out here. Huh. Okay, so we actually got an outdoor thing. Wow. Okay, this looks pretty nice. Some nice music too. Okay, I think I'm gonna head back in the same way, and I'm gonna go to the right. Huh, looks pretty big. I'm just on the ground floor as well, so there's a lot more to take a look at around here. Sushi and barbecue. Huh. Just kind of walk into the middle a little bit. Fat Brother Malaysian food. There's all kinds of interesting stuff around here. Let me just walk in here. I heard it was pretty big, but it's a lot bigger than I thought. A lot to explore in here. Places to eat. Huh. Looks really big. So I think what we might do is just kind of take a look upstairs. I don't know. So it's like there's a parking garage downstairs. Body shop. Okay, I'm gonna explore. So I'm gonna turn the camera off a little bit and just kind of meander a little bit and then turn on the camera later. Okay, so now we can see there's like 3-4 floors of this building. This floor looks like it's mostly shops. So we're gonna head over here. It's kind of cool. Then you can see there's Ace hardware store up there. Looks like it's mostly kind of shopping in this area. Huh. Okay. Okay, so now we can see there's like 3-4 floors of this building. This floor looks like it's mostly shops. So we're gonna head over here. It's kind of cool. Then you can see there's Ace hardware store up there. Looks like it's mostly kind of shopping in this area. Huh. Okay. Some pretty cool architecture. Huh. It's actually too big just to film on its own. And okay. Looks like there's a lot more up there as well, so I might go up that way. Kind of see what that's all about. High box. Huh. Didn't really expect it to be quite this big. So I think what we're gonna do next is go up and just kind of see what's up there. Huh. There's another food court down that way as well. Maybe we're gonna go down. Let me go around this way. Uniqlo. Huh, Uniqlo is pretty big. Nice mall. Okay, so we got Pepper Lunch right here. So it's Asian Market and Food Village, so I think that there's going to be more stuff over that way around that corner there. And then in here we got the Uniqlo that's upstairs. Got ramen, MM juice. So we kind of have a nice mix of different things around here. We just kind of check it all out. And we did go outside, so there's kind of an outside part over that, down that other. Maybe we'll try to go out there again if we get a chance. And then straight ahead is Food Village. So that's all over here. Huh. It's like a nice, lot of small little restaurants here. I'm looking for something to eat as well, so. You can see there's a Thai restaurant. Roti Boy. Let's see if we can get in there. Goreng, renowned. Roti Boy. Hello. Let's see what else I got. Cafe Me. Let's see. Steak and grill. Hello. Korean chicken bar. Naga 8. Fried chicken and kebab. Let's see what else we got. Looks like a pretty good, nice little space. Yeah, it looks like there's a Another exit out this way. Got some nice artwork as well. So I think this is a parking garage. Yeah, parking garage. Okay. So I think I'm gonna get something to eat. This is a pretty cool mall. Okay, so we're outside now, and we also have kind of a nice riverside. There's the Pretzel Walk in Riverside. Huh, they even got a little bit of a... I'll have to explore more here. This is my first time to come here. It's at nighttime. We'll see what it looks like at other times too. Looks nice though. I'm just gonna walk down on the south side part briefly. See what's all here. We got hamburgers, M&M cheese, Japanese food trucks, and more. Huh. Yeah, I'm kind of curious what this would look like during the daytime. People walking around right there. So a little taste of Living World Mall, Denpasar, in the city part. Okay, I just walked a little bit further. Now I saw this amphitheater outside. This looks like people can sit outside and watch that. So, nice introduction into River World. Living World. There's the amphitheater. They got some kind of movie. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna head back on in. Okay, looks like we got some kind of event here too. So I guess we'll see. Maybe we'll walk around the side and see. Okay, graduation show, fashion. So I guess we have okay, and on that note, we're going to be ending it for the Living World Mall. If you get to this point, just tell me that you made it to the end. I'm just kind of curious how many viewers actually do. So, okay. Pretty cool.